Last class, we have seen how to make a greeting card in Microsoft Word. I have taught you how to apply the borders, background colors, and most of the students have done it nicely. I got their responses in my WhatsApp group. That's great, really. So today's task is you have to type a story in Microsoft Word. Okay, this story it is also there in your computer science book, page number 76. Page number 76 you can open, and you have to type this story in the same format, in this design, everything. Okay, even whatever you know, you can also apply it. Just like in last class, I have told you applying borders. How to apply the borders? You have to go to the design tab. Then after, there is the option called page border. Those who are using Office 2007, in the 7 version, 2007 version, there is option called page layout. In the page layout, you will see this option. Okay, but in the 2019, this design tab is there, and there is option called page border. So in this page border, I have taught you using this art option, we can apply attractive borders. Just click any one, then click on OK. So this type of borders will come. The next option I taught you, page color. So in this way you can also apply page color, right? Then after I taught you in the insert tab, you can use different style word art text. This is a text option called as this word art. Word art actually attractive writing you can write down. So select any design. Now you can type your content just like happy Raksha Bandhan, like this. Or now you are going to type a story. Okay, you can just give the heading the wolf and the lamb. Watch the video properly. I will tell you so many options in this. Okay, so first option we have already started, that is word art. Okay, now see, here the characters I have used here small letters. Okay, first letter is capital, the other letters are small. Okay, but in the book it is given what all the characters are capital letters, means all the letters are written in a capital letters. So without deleting it, how can we convert lowercase letters to the uppercase letters? Just see it. The option is available in the home tab. This is called as home tab. This one is called as home tab. There is option called change case. What is the option name? Change case. In the home tab, there is option called change case. This is the home tab, change case option. So here is the uppercase letter. But before it, you have to select this text in this way. You have to click here. After clicking the mouse, don't leave it. You have to drag in this way. It becomes highlighted. Then after, what you have to do, you have to go to the change case option. Click here. There is option called uppercase. When you click on this option, uppercase, now see all the letters become capital letters. So without deleting it, we have done our work. Now you can also change the color by using this font color. This is called as font color. Whatever you are typing the text here, you can change its color from this option. This is called as font color. So any color I can give. Suppose here I want to do in red color. You can decrease the size using this option called as font size. Decrease the number, size will be decreased. Okay. So you have seen how to increase or decrease the size of the text. Let us arrange this text in the center. Okay. Just like now I am typing here some more content here. Let me increase the size of this option. Now I want to write in the center. So this is the option for writing in the center. This is the left, this is the center. So the center comes. Now I have to give the the wolf and the lamb. So in this way it will come in the center. You can change the colors here. Even you can give the bold and just make the underline. This is called as underline option. Even there are so many underline styles here in this way. Beautiful underline styles you can give. Then after, when you press enter here, when you press enter, it will come in the center only. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to again go to this option, left align. Okay, because it is coming in the center, you have to click left align. Then you can start now typing here. Okay. Okay, see, because we have done this formatting, Hana, so we have to off this all setting because the paragraph we have to write in a normal letters. So just tick again this bold option, tick this again off this underline option and make the color automatic, that is black, and decrease the size from here. So see, all the options you have to use it. These are the font options that are very popular and that you have to use for designing this type of stories, right? So this is the bold option. This is the italic. Italic means slanting line will come. And this is called as underline. Okay. Let us start now. So let me type some content here. One day a thirsty lamb went to drink water from a stream. On the upper stream there stood a wolf. He saw a plump lamb, and for typing, use both the hand. Okay, use both the hand for typing. Slowly you will learn to type fastly, right? But use both the hands. Okay. Then his mouth watered, so he wanted to make some excuse so that he could kill the lamb. So then after you have to change the paragraph. In this way you have to write all the three paragraphs. It is very must that you start typing fastly. It will help in your future, right? Now the option what you have to do, you can see here this side, here you can see this text very beautifully aligned and right side also beautifully aligned. Okay, so the same thing we can also do because here you can see it is zigzag. So how to do it? From the left and the right side both are equal. Okay, so there is one option called as justify align. So when you click on this option, it will come in a newspaper style. See, all it will be arranged nicely. Okay, so in this way you have to type your story in this way. This is your next project. Hope everybody will do it and send to me. Okay, thank you.